In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an audio file and sync it with your animation. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring in a track, see it in your timeline, and line it up so your visuals and sound feel intentional and polished. Start by opening your project and going to the File menu at the top of your screen. Choose Import, then select Audio File. This path is the standard way most animation and editing apps bring in sound, and it helps keep your media organized inside the project. When the file browser opens, navigate to the audio you want to use. You can pick either a WAV or an MP3. Both will work, but there are a couple of differences worth knowing. WAV files are uncompressed, so they preserve full quality, which is great for music, voiceover, or sound effects that need clarity. MP3 files are compressed and smaller, making them handy for lighter projects or quick drafts. Whatever you choose, make sure you have the right to use the audio, and that it's the final or near final version to avoid constant replacements later. Once you confirm your choice, the audio will appear in your timeline as a waveform. That waveform is a visual map of your sound. Taller peaks usually indicate louder moments, like drum hits or strong syllables, while quieter sections appear as smaller ripples. Seeing the waveform makes it much easier to spot cues you might want to align with keyframes, transitions, or character actions. Depending on your software and the file, you may see one lane for mono or two lanes for stereo. Either is fine. Now it's time to sync the audio with your animation. Click the audio clip in the timeline and drag it left or right to position it where it needs to start. If your animation has a specific moment you want to hit, like a jump, a cut, or a mouth opening, use that as your anchor. Line up a noticeable peak in the waveform with that frame to create a clean, satisfying hit. For dialogue, look for the start of each word's waveform and match it to the mouth shapes in your animation. For music, beats and snare hits are great visual guides. Press play to preview and listen closely. If the sound lands a little early or late, nudge the clip until it feels locked in. Trust both your eyes and ears. The best sync usually clicks into place when the motion and the audio accent each other naturally. And that's it. Import, confirm the waveform, and move it into sync with your animation.